How to put your life savings into pyramid scheme, video tutorial, ETH. Firstly, you need to get that MetaMask wallet add-in. Just go to metamask.io and download it. Then you will need to create new wallet. I guess you are not a dumbass, so do it on your own. Okay, so when you have Ethereum wallet and some cash on it, then you can throw it to the ETH pyramid. That's simple. Look. Just set how much you want to invest here and click that button. Simple as that. Then MetaMask wallet will show you confirmation window. Click submit and wait for transaction to approve. Now you have some Ethereum in pyramid scheme. Good job. Okay fellas, now just watch how you get that sweet dividends coming to you. You can withdraw them anytime, or you can reinvest these to get more tokens. You can sell your tokens too. I hope you found this shit helpful. I spent whole 20 minutes working on it, so you better donate some ETH. Address in description. See you.